In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register, log in, and manage your Wells Fargo bank account using both the mobile app and website. We'll also cover how to reset your password in case you ever forget it. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, let's talk about how to get yourself registered. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app or visit the website on your browser. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the sign up option. After tapping on it, you'll be prompted to enter some personal information. This will generally include details like your name, email address, and possibly a few security questions to keep your account safe. Once that's done, you'll have to create a username and password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. A mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols is usually recommended. After setting these up, you'll be asked to verify your identity. This could be through an email or a text message verification code. Finally, after everything checks out, tap on Finish Setup. Congratulations, you're now registered. Moving on, let's log into your account. Again, whether you're using the mobile app or website, you'll want to look for the Sign On button. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. If you've entered both correctly, click Continue to access your account. There might be times when you'll be asked to verify your identity once more just to make sure it's really you trying to log in. And just like that, you'll have access to view all your account details, transactions, balances, and more. Now, what happens if you forget your password? It's a common issue, so don't panic. At the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Tap on it, and it will ask you to enter your username. After doing so, the system will guide you through another set of identity verification steps. This ensures the security of your account. Once verified, you'll get the chance to create a new password. Make it something memorable yet secure. Once you're happy with the new password, tap Save or Continue, and you'll be all set to log back in using your new credentials. And there you have it, folks. That's how you register, log in, and reset your password for your Wells Fargo bank account using their mobile app and website. Keeping these steps in mind will ensure smooth banking experiences whenever you need access to your finances. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides on managing your digital accounts. Thank you for watching and see you next time.